Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look again in the gold market. So in the gold market we have come to conclusion in a weekend that still for a while we probably will have to deal with the intraday patterns and the short-term setups, because on the daily chart, as we discussed, situation stands still a bit unclear. It's a bit blurred because market can't set the final direction, still calling in the tight consolidation, keeping chances on the both directions, although in the short-term perspective it seems that the downward action has more chances to happen because the short-term driving factors is the relatively positive statistics, dovish comments from the Fed, some breakout in an agreement between the United States and China. That creates the short-term positive sentiment and brings some relief to the markets and decrease the demand for the safe haven assets. So from that standpoint, maybe market still could show the downward action, and in general, those overall sell-offs that have happened here, I mean this one and that one, especially when you take a look at the weekly chart, you will see that the bounce up from these sell-offs are not really very significant. And in general, price action looks a bit gradual, so it's not signs of the bullish reversal, so we do not see any explosive signs of the rally as it has happened here, for example. It's more gradual and forming the flag. That's why market keeps the downward action. And this is the reasons why we decided still to deal with the short-term setups, to trade on the intraday charts by far, waiting for some clarity on the high time frames on the gold market. And currently what we have on intraday charts, let's recall our short-term setup. On the 4-hour time frame chart, take a look, market is turning trend bearish gradually, as you can see by the MACD indicator. And take a look, yesterday this market has formed bearish reversal candle. This candle suggests that some downward continuation here has to happen, and that this reversal candle very accurately corresponds to the setup that we have. Recall our discussion on Sunday. Here's what we talk about. We considered two extensions. First extension is based on our reverse head and shoulders pattern. That was, by the way, the great setup for taking the long position as well. And take a look, all targets have been passed. First, market hits the OP here, retracement, and we said keep an eye on the XOP where we could get the next chance to go short. And indeed, once XOP has been hit, market immediately has formed bearish reversal candle, as on the daily chart, as on the 4-hour time frame chart. That's precisely what has happened around our XOP target. So that was the first chance to go short. After that, you can see market has formed ABCD pullback, and now it's forming godless triple to sell, which also creates kind of the hand and shoulders pattern here, as you could see. This could become left shoulder, hand, right shoulder. That's second chance to go short. The potential targets, that's ABCD pattern based on the hand and shoulders. OP stands for 1072, which creates the agreement with the fib level, fib support. That's the first target. Ultimately, based on the short-term setup, our major target, of course, will be this one, because we agree to take the nearest targets, to not marry any position. But if you really strongly would like to keep it, you could, for example, if market will drop here, you could grab the half of the profit, move stops to the break-even on the rest of the position, and see whether you will get lucky and market will drop more. Well, that's ultimate target for this minor hand and shoulders pattern XOP. It's 1468, and take a look again. It also creates an agreement with the next fib support. That's the setup that we intend to follow in the nearest couple of sessions probably. So let's see how it will turn, and once it will be over, we will take a look what another, maybe some small patterns will be formed in the gold market. That's the way how we will deal with the gold market until we will get the clarity on the high time frames, on the daily and on the high time frames.